This is GWAAN DANCEHALL with Lex, giving the best of the best and the real of the real. Follow us on Instagram at GWAAN DANCEHALL. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome to the new and improved GWAAN DANCEHALL with your girl, Lex. You already know the deal. I give you the best of the best and the real of the real. I've been gone for a minute, approximately 2 years. I know it's been a minute, but I was doing the mommy thing and I was doing the work thing and grinding like how I do, and I'm pretty sure you was too. But done with the talking, let's get straight into the updates. As you know, June is Caribbean American month over here in the United States, and Spice has collaborated with VH1 to give that little feel of what it's like to be a Caribbean.
Guess what today is?
You tell me now, Carly.
It's June 1st and it's the start of Caribbean American Heritage Month. So stay tuned to what we have in store all month long.
They don't know if you are a proud Jamaican, just drop your flag in the comment section below, because we are going to go out with batings all month long.
One thing I like is that they're giving it to someone who is cultured. Like Carly's Trinidadian and Spice is Jamaican. It just makes sense to have those two on there, but I look forward to seeing more. For the last 2 years, Skeng has been on the rise. He's been coming out plenty of hits that we've all been kicking it. It's a common theme in dancehall culture, unfortunately, where the new artists get a fight, and Skeng has definitely been getting a fight. In recent news, he has been on an interview where they confused him with Skillibeng.
I notice you're big on social media right now. Too much of people touching down with Skeng right now. Yesterday and the day before, you said you were, I think you had some work done with DJ Khaled.
No.
No? It was you.
No, man, it's not me.
Oh, my bad. Wrong one. But Skeng
that may have seemed disrespectful to many fans. He has also been accused of being on drugs. In this next clip here, you show a pure, energetic young youth ready for shell down a place in Trinidad, and this is what happened. SteffLondon is in the news, and this time it's for a little bit of trolling. Last week she posted this on Instagram stating that she will be doing a counteraction for Burna Boy's Last Last. But she definitely had the last laugh. Let's check this out.
Okay, let's go. Done. So I just wanted to gather everybody here today to say it is now time to mind your business. Not everything is for everybody. Sometimes you thought you was gonna come here, right? And you and your friend. No. Mind your business that pays you, okay? Mind.
In minor news, Steff has also worked with Massacre on his album for one of their songs called Moments, which is a smash hit if you haven't heard it. However, they've released a new sneak preview of their upcoming video, and you can check that out right here.
You love when me touch up your body and when me rap on your jacket, my daddy promise that you never gon' leave. You want me clap me your body and when we rock with so happy, we are the best, nobody can stand with.
Skillibeng is now making his way on tour. He's also missing working with DJ Khaled, and once he's working with them, you know there's definitely an album in the mix, and we look forward to seeing that. In addition to linking up with DJ Khaled, he's also has a new remix for his song
When I got shot, pussy boy got shot. 6 feet, go to your grave, do a TikTok. 6 shots, kill tracks, this here zip.
Shaggy has been very involved in dancehall culture, and always, but especially this year, by working with Spice on her album 10, where he's an executive producer, as well as their smash hit with Sean Paul, Go Down There. And now he's earning more than just awards and recognition in music. He will be earning his Doctors of Fine Arts from Brown University, which is an amazing and outstanding. Shaggy's not the only one being honored either. Shenseea has now been made the 2022 Music Ambassador for WNBA's Connecticut Sun. This is also in celebration of their 20-year anniversary, which is a big deal. As you know, the summer is steaming up, and it's about time that we bring the dancing back into dancehall. Many artists have promoted new music and new dances, and here's a list of some of them.
Touch your head, touch your head, touch your head. Don't stop, touch your head, touch your head, touch your head. Just shoot them, nah beg no bread. Stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry. If you're not doing it, you are gonna get a wine. Stir fry, nah balalai. You're not dance, dirt box. do the bounce, do the bounce. If she tell her yes, squeeze the breast, squeeze the breast, squeeze the breast, squeeze the breast, squeeze the breast. But people them not take no time. Do the walk, rifle walk, do the walk, rifle walk, rifle walk, do the walk. Oh, you're so bad.
So watch the bones, hop, skip your enemy there. Swing your one from left to right, me know this I go mad then. Beat them like a whipping on me and me now look my friend. No for them you hear a talk when them see we them not enough.
So this year for summer, make sure you practice all these dances and don't be shy to put it on TikTok either. But that is it for GWAAN Dancehall. Tune in again. I don't even know when I'm gonna come back again. But trust me, you don't wanna miss this. Thanks for tuning in.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell for all new videos.